This week is Customer Week, and I want to talk about how a customer is a king, the old adage. Customer is a king because of the following reasons. We all know that the lifeblood of every company is money. And for that matter, it is a customer that brings in the money. So it behoves on us as employees of this company to give due recognition to every customer. When the customer comes to buy an insurance product, it's a revenue, and revenue less expenditure brings about profits. And we all know that a company is measured in terms of its profitability. Generally, another reason why the customer is a king is that if you treat your customer well, the customer will sell your products for you by making referrals to others to come and buy your products. By so doing, the company lessens its expenditure on adverts and other things. So this once again goes to increase profitability. In addition, we have what is called customer lifetime value. Customer lifetime value, in a sense that determines the amount of money the customer spends on the company's product. Not only that, it also demonstrates how a customer follows the social media of the company. We all know that time is money. So for a customer to spend his time on following you at the social media, Instagram and other things, is money. So we have customer lifetime value if you treat your customer very well. Much in the same way, customers build the reputation of a company. A customer builds the reputation of a company in a sense that the customer will be saying good things about the company. And when a company has a good reputation, investors and others, and even potential employees will keep on knocking at the company's door to come and work for the company. So I believe that we should not joke with some of these things I've already mentioned. Longevity of a company also depends on customers, simply because you can only be in business when the company is doing well. If the company is not doing well, the company cannot honor its obligations. And we know the obligations of a company: paying salary, paying tax, paying NIC levy, and things of that nature. Last week, I had a meeting with an insurance broker from India, JB Broda, and I was told that the company started 1943. If my calculation is right, then the company is getting to 80 good years. And the company has outlived its founder. Its founder died, I guess, I'm not quite sure about it, about 20 years after. Continued by the brother, and the company is still existing. So if you treat our customer well, in respect of claims especially, and if you are a branch manager and you don't sit down, I've sent the claim to the head office, and you fold your hands without following it, we know that in this company we don't have a problem with liquidity, because all of us here present, or all of you listening to me, have worked so hard that the company has enough funds to pay legitimate claims. So if you are a staff in the head office or the branch offices, and you send claims to head office without following it up, and you say that, oh, I've sent it to claims, fold up your hands, you are doing more harm than good to your company. And eventually, the company's liquidity position may be affected. May be affected in the sense that clients and potential clients may not buy the company's insurance products. And the company may not be in a position to increase your salary and other benefits. I've seen companies reducing the salary of its workers. So I will entreat all of you not to joke with claims, especially the claims department. I've sent the discharge voucher to the clients. The client has not brought it. If the client has not brought it, what do? You follow it up with a call or with email. But if you sit down and it comes to my attention, I will not treat it lightly, because insurance, we collect money in the forms of premiums and honor our first obligation, which is claims. And we know that NIC has a timelines for the payment of claims, especially when a discharge voucher has been issued. Also, I entreat each and every one here and also listening to me at the branches that you don't bring your problems to the office. You come to the office with a smiling face to face clients. When you are interacting with the clients, keep a smiling face and be welcoming. You talk politely to clients. If it comes to my attention that any member of staff has talked rudely to a client, I will not take it lightly. The rules of the game will apply, because a customer is king so far as priority insurance is concerned. Priority insurance has been able to come this far, one, by the grace of God, and two, because we treat customers as a king. So, before I end my opening statement, I will urge all of us to treat customers very well. Treat the customer as if you are doing the service for yourself, for your own self. The customer has sent the claim forms, reasons upon reasons. Customer has not brought a passport picture for claims. I don't know whether that is applicable. I don't know. Those things we should all try and eschew those things and treat our customer very well. All of you here present and listening to me, I believe that you have dressed in the various professions as you find yourselves. I'm an accountant, I'm an insurer, so I've put on a dress that depicts an accountant and insurer. And as insurer, I will do proper underwriting. As an accountant, I will account for the company's money where it should go. So whichever profession that you have dressed, read. If you haven't read about that profession, then take about 10 minutes to Google to find out the ethics of your profession. When you read the ethics of your profession, you will know how to treat your clients. Without much ado, I wish all of us a successful customer week and hope that we'll take advantage of this customer week to increase production. We have just started October. It's fresh. And I must say that if my figures that I have is correct, then it means that in September, the month of September, we were able to achieve our target. And I use this medium to thank all the staff, especially our hard-working agents and brokers who have been supporting us up to this far. Without much ado, I wish each and every one the best this week and the weeks beyond. Thank you.